Can we recover permanently deleted Gmail account? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can recover permanently deleted Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step, open up a web browser and simply search for Gmail account recovery. So let me just change this and type in recovery here, and there we go. So from here you will see Google Help. You can head over to this website, and after you're on this website you can scroll down and there you can see different options. The first is if you've forgotten your password, you can recover that. The other is your email, and there are a lot of different options. So right here you will see recover a deleted Google account. Tap on it, you will see the option. You can tap on open in new tab, or you can open in that very tab as well. And if you've deleted your Google account as it says here, you may be able to get it back. If it's been a while since you deleted your account, you may not be able to recover the data in your account. So as it says, if it's been a long time since you've deleted your account, you cannot actually get the data that you've deleted. So you will be able to sign into your usual accounts, but not the data. So here you can follow these steps to actually recover the data, your Gmail. Now the catch here is whenever you delete your Gmail account, you actually have a 30 days time period to recover the account. If it gets past that very time limit, you might not be able to recover your permanently deleted Google account. Since you have permanently deleted the Google account, you might be able to get back the email address but not your emails or data. So that's the catch here, guys, and I hope this helped you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks. Bye bye.